Hi you guys, my name is Lauren, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not new here, welcome back. I'm so happy to see your cute little faces through the screen. I really feel like I'm talking to my besties whenever I film these videos, and like I see your guys' comments occasionally and I'm just like, hey bestie. So for today's video, we have a Fab Fit Fun unboxing, and you guys know these are like my favorite videos to film because I'm like a little kid on Christmas morning. Why is my screen flashing red? I am like a little kid on Christmas morning when I'm opening these things because I pick them all out and then I forget what I picked and then it shows up at my door and I get to like unbox it and it's all a surprise. And you guys, how are we on the fall box? The years just keep going by faster and faster the older I get, and it's kind of freaking me out a little bit, but fall's my favorite season, so I'm very excited to unbox everything that is in here. This has actually been sitting in my room for like 4 or 5 days, and the amount of self-control I have to not open this because I really want to be surprised on camera when I'm opening everything so you get my raw reaction. It's been hard. I just keep looking at it and like, I just want to open it, but I didn't have time to film until today. Let's unbox the Fall Fab Fit Fun box. I remember being like, oh, there's a lot of good brands this time. Oh wait, I don't even need my handy dandy little box cutter because you just gotta be careful with the nails. Oh wait, the inside's so cute. It's definitely giving fall. We have fall trees. We have a bunch of apples. Gonna go apple picking this year. Over there. Ooh, did I get a sweater? Wow, I love that. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm gonna pick this one. What is this? Polish protected luxurious multi-benefit hair oil. Okay, so it makes sense. You can see it's from Carasilk. It would make sense that I picked this because I'm really focusing on my hair health right now, and I've started to do a hair oiling routine, and I wanted to switch up the oils because my hair, I bleach it, it has been so dry. This last time I did it, it just absolutely destroyed it. My ends keep like breaking off. If you can tell, I have it like behind because I'm trying not to put heat on it, but my hair has been needing help. So I have been putting hair oil on the ends of my hair to try and help the split ends, and I'm wanting to try out different ones. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, perfect. This is gonna be great. I need to look and see if it's meant for your ends or for your scalp. I won't put hair oil on my scalp every time because then it will just get pretty greasy, but I will do it on the mid-lengths to ends, and I have been noticing a difference with like helping with the frizz in my hair, especially if I don't put heat on it, because I'm trying to do the heatless curls, but sometimes you just need that extra heat to really like seal the ends. So if anyone else has used this, comment down below, let me know your thoughts on it. I'm really excited to try it. Also, let me look at the bottle. Okay, this is cute. This is actually a really big bottle. I only use a little bit of hair oil on my ends because I don't want it to get too weighed down. So this bottle is going to last me months, easily, maybe even a year. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay. This is from Merit. This is a brand that I actually really like. I've tried, I think, a full face of their makeup before. What did I get? I got the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. Merit is like a very clean beauty brand. It's meant to be very simple and kind of like a no makeup look. And oh yes, I love this stuff. I think I actually had this color whenever I tried it out. Their lip oils are just so, actually, you know what, I'll put some on. I have a clear gloss on right now that's like a lip plumper, but we need a little bit of color, so let's try this out. Oh yeah, I remember liking this brand a lot. That's probably why I picked it. I think I just spit. Okay, so that's the gloss color. What color did I get? I got Pink Beat, which makes sense because I love pink. But this lip color is so pretty. Ooh, getting kind of sweaty. Ooh. Okay, so again, I'm focused on my hair health right now. So I saw this Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and I've been trying to find a really good leave-in mask that will help hydrate my poor, brittle, dry ends. I've been using the Gisou one, and I really like it, but I like to switch things up. I like to try different products just to see what works best. This one you'll leave for like 5 to 7 minutes. Sometimes I just leave it longer because I want to really let it soak in. But this brand has really cute packaging, like always. It's very fun, very vibrant, so it's kind of fun to have in your shower, and you're just like, ooh, I'm so fun and girly. Oh my gosh, I picked this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I picked this, like, oh my god, this is so cute for fall. I need to have a get together and make a charcuterie board immediately. Look at the little scalloped edges. For any of my peeps that love to host, this is a must in your box. This is so cute. I don't think this is meant to be a cutting board because it has these little knobs, like, as it's like a little tray. And I wouldn't want to ruin it because it's so pretty, but perfect for displaying, like, especially with football season coming up. Like, I love a spread at like a football watch party. Like, put your little dip and your chips and your buffalo chicken dip. Like, oh, buffalo chicken dip, I love that stuff. But also, like, get some prosciutto, get some cheese, have a girly wine night. I love this. I'm so happy I picked this out. Honestly, like, you could put this on your dresser and display like perfumes and jewelry on this too, if you won't, like, if you're not a big hoster. That's also an option. Okay, I got so many hair products. I think hair was just on my mind because she's been needing some help. So let's see. This is from Ceremonia. Very fun packaging. So many colors. This is a guava leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I got 2 leave-in things because I'm just trying to try all the products to get the best hair health that I possibly can. So this is just something you use after the shower when you have damp hair. You put it on your mid-lengths to ends. Avoid the scalp, it says. And it's supposed to just be like a leave-in conditioner, super hydrating. It says that it's free of like all the bad stuff. So I'm assuming this is like a cleaner hair care kind of brand. And guava just seems hydrating. In my brain, I see the word guava leave-in conditioner and I'm like, yeah, that's gonna be good. So I literally must have just been only thinking about hair. I have literally, how many hair care products? I have 4 hair care products. That's crazy, Lauren. Oh my gosh. Well, I got a whole new hair care routine, definitely for like well over half the price if I were to pay for all these individually. So if you need help with your hair this month, they got a lot of good products. I love Bondi Boost. This, focus. This brand is great. And so this is a heat protectant spray. I've been trying to do a heat protectant in case I ever decide to use heat on my hair, which, like, it's gonna happen. I'm literally gonna do it after this because I have a lunch to go to, and like, I need my hair to look good. The heatless curls didn't really work this time because my hair was damp. You can use this on dry or wet hair. I'm gonna give it a go literally right after this to do some hairstyling. So another hair care product. We are working on our hair health. Okay, I think we're on to the last thing, which is apparently a really cute cardigan that I picked out. Okay, let's take this one off so we can try this other one on. Oh, it is so hot in LA right now. Like, it's over 100 degrees and I'm sitting here like dressed for fall. It's toasty. Hey, this is like very cute. We have to try her on. I do have a code for Fab Fit Fun. There are 2 codes. So I believe it's LAURENLUTOGIFT. And that is with the annual subscription, and you get a gift with your purchase. And then if you decide to do the seasonal subscription, I think it's just code LaurenLuto. And I think you get 20% off your first box. I'll list it below. Definitely use one of the codes and get yourself a discount and some goodies. I am a sucker for a discount. Like, on my birthday every year, I sign up for all the email like the emails from the marketing. What am I saying? I basically sign up to get all the free gifts on your birthday. So like, I get my free Starbucks, I get like a Jimmy John's. Like, there's like so many fun birthday deals. Okay, it's like honestly kind of lightweight, which I like. Wait, this is so cute. Is this color purple or gray or blue? What color is this? I think it's kind of purple because my eyes are blue-green. Wait, this is like a really cute, just like chill little cardigan to throw on. I have on jeans, a little cami. You could close it up, but I like to keep mine open. This is like great if you just need a little light jacket. Good for fall, like going pumpkin picking. You need a cute little cardigan. cute Taylor Swift cardigan. And the fabric is really soft. Sometimes with this fabric, it's like way too itchy on my skin. I have pretty sensitive skin. But this one feels like really good. I'm really liking this. Okay, you guys, that is it for this Fab Fit Fun unboxing. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and unboxing it together. I love doing these videos and it's just so much fun. And you guys seem to like these ones too. So anytime I get a box, I'll be here. As always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, if you want to do that, there's a button down below. You can subscribe and we can be besties. Or we don't have to, and that's totally fine too. And thank you to Fab Fit Fun for sponsoring this video. It's always so much fun. Love you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day or evening, whatever time you're watching this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, my queens.